Hello and welcome to this video. In this video we're going to see how to solve an activity sheet. Okay, now whenever you are seeing an activity sheet like this, you will be having your Colab or your coding section available to you on top. So when you click on this, your Google Colab will open up. Okay, now you will put your name, you will put your student ID, you will select your grade, and then after seeing this video fully, you are going to select yes, I saw the video fully. Okay, without checking this, you will not be able to go any further, or you will not be allowed to submit your form. So make sure that you're seeing this video fully and then you're selecting this button. Okay, now let's look at the first question. The first question says you need to create an output that looks like this. Okay, and you have to put your name and your grade in the comment statement. Okay, and then you will take a screenshot and you're going to upload it here. Now let's see how to do this. So as a result, you need an IDE, so you're going to click onto this one. So when you select this, you will be taken to this particular form, okay, which is your area where you're going to code. You can select new notebook. If you select new notebook, you'll be taken to a new notebook, or you can go to file, okay, select new notebook. Okay, any of this is okay. And then what you have to do is you need to put your name and your grade in the comment section. So right now you will be seeing coding section. You need to delete this. Okay, you have two buttons. One says code, another one says text. So you will select on text and then you will press on TT. Okay, and now you will put your name, put your full name. Okay, so that's easier for me to locate. All right, to identify you, and then put your grade. Let's say 9-1 advanced. All right, and then you will click on the coding part, and now let us look at the question. The question says create an output that looks like this using print statement. Okay, so let's go here, say print py /n pyt/n pyth/n pytho/n python Python. Okay, and then if you run the code, you will get your output. So let's wait for the program to run. So there you go, you got the output, and both the output screens, this and this, are looking the same, which means you did it correctly. Now you will go in and you will save it as question number 1. Okay, once you finish that, you're going to take a screenshot. Okay, and you will take a screenshot of the entire screen like so. Okay, so if you check at it, you will be seeing the complete screen. Okay, once you've done this, now go to your question, select upload file, look for the program that you took screenshot of. There you go, this is the output that we took. So select open and it will upload. Okay, give it some time to upload. Once it got uploaded, you will see the file here. Now you cannot open it and verify. You need to verify it before you upload. Okay, so this is how you need to solve each and every question. Again, an important point, I need your name and your grade in every single program, and you will take a screenshot of your entire screen which contains the code and also the output. Okay, if you're only sending me the code and the output, it's a straight 0 because it does not show that it is your work. So you will not get any marks for that. Okay, have a good day, happy coding.